Okay, you can get them.
That's all I'm saying. Where to put my foot. She got stuck halfway.
She's positioning her on the side. Okay, I got it. Yay! Good morning.
It's so early for this.
Welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's Saturday morning.
Come to the face.
It's 8 o'clock. And mind you, Raina woke up on her own, so I don't know why she's so in a rut.
We didn't even wake you up.
But yeah, we're about to hit the road. We're heading to Alabama for the weekend. It's our nephew's birthday. Noah. Woo! Let's go. So yeah, we're heading to Alabama for the weekend. And then we'll be in Tennessee on Sunday for his party. As you can see, we're packing up G. So after we did go to the dealership, we did get a car. Isn't she beautiful? But y'all, Raina is in such a bad mood this morning. She's in such a bad mood. I think she's gonna go back to sleep. But yeah, I'm about to hit the road. Probably get to Alabama at about 11. We are like 40 minutes in. Rain's very, very comfortable. She's feeling a little better. Playing around. We're just playing around with the car settings. It has a lot of safety features. Rainy had a snack and juice, took off her shoes and socks. Everyone's sleeping. She's tired. We got 2 hours and a half left. So we've only been driving for we got about an hour and a half left. Yeah, yours is thick. He's gonna cut my hair this morning? Okay.
He wants to cut Noah's hair, but Noah doesn't want to cut his hair. Hey everybody, hey everybody, outside, outside. Today we're outside and it's fall with the leaves. Cohen has a leaf in his hair. Not in my face, Cohen. Not in the camera's face. No, right up. Ah, right up.
go to the CVS. Give me some Allegra. Might be cheaper out here in Alabama.
No.
You don't think so?
No, because it's the same CVS.
The price might be different.
Now, maybe the tax might be different, but I think the price will be the same. Oh, let me show y'all. I did my nails last night. Poly gel. Did it myself. I'm gonna record next time I do my nails. I do gel. I did gel on my toes. Give myself a gel petty. I had the gel mani, but I just switched to poly gel. So I'm gonna. Ooh. This pepper. I remember back in the day,
When I was young, I'm not a kid anymore.
we used to use bobby pins, hairpins, to pop pimples because of the arch. I used to drag. And ooh, you heard that pop? And now the products they use are the same, like loop type of thing. Oh, but yeah, we made it to Alabama. We here. We're just taking a nap. Oh yeah, I took videos of them outside playing. I'm tired. See, when I ovulate, my face breaks out.
So we just arrived. We had the farm. I forgot the name of this place. Just arrived. Got Raina down here. That's the family right here. That's the bro. You know what I mean?
Don't step out too far.
Rest of the kids, they in the car. You know, we about to head on to the farms. It's back there somewhere. Let's go get it. It's a lot of people out here. True. So let's go get it.
It looks amazing.
Step aside.
Look at it over there,
We
Uncle
got
Kyle. Over
Carson
there.
right here. Say hi.
Hi, everyone. No. No stroller.
I kind of want to, but
Watch it.
I ain't trying to push this stroller.
No, no
We
stroller.
just saw a video of a girl
So we
like
gonna head over in there, you know what I mean? So you get y'all some, hold on real quick. Let me get y'all a little view. Alright, so we are on this farm now. You got a bouncy thing over there, swing, slide over there. Big old slide right here. And I believe over there, oh, there's a lemonade and a kettle corn. Some more swings. And I got all the kids. Big old tire swing. The bugs is getting us. Man, look at that, man. Sand with the, it's pretty neat, man. They got a bouncy house. Little attraction. Oh, you can make bubbles. Yeah, it is. Wow. Bubbles. Man, We about to go down this slide right here.
Look,
Raina, you ready? You ready? Yeah. All right. Yeah. You gotta wait. They gotta go first. You gotta wait. Look. Rainy. Go with mommy, look. You're gonna go up.
When I get stuck.
Having a blast. It's crazy. So much fun, y'all. It's so much fun, though. We out here, man. Look, hey, man. Lane. It's crazy. Whoever came up with this idea, I don't know. I'm guessing it's clever. We got a whole bunch of kernels in a pit. And you feel me? The kids are playing it. It's what it is, right?
Who sleeps like this?